Meaning of half measures.
Half measures.
Half measures.
Half measures.
Half measures. Half measures refers to a situation where an insufficient or incomplete action is taken, often in an attempt to address a problem or challenge. These actions may not fully solve the underlying issue and can lead to negative consequences down the line. For example, implementing partial measures to reduce carbon emissions may temporarily improve air quality but will not address the root cause of climate change. In general, half measures are not recommended as they can create more problems than they solve and may result in wasted time, resources, and effort.